the shortcut to viral AI and YouTube shorts. Remember that video of the dog riding a skateboard while dressed as a pirate? Pure gold, right? It's the kind of content that makes you stop scrolling and hit the share button. These moments are what makes social media so captivating. That's the power of viral content. It grabs your attention and refuses to let go. It's not just about the laughs or the shock value. It's about creating a connection, a shared experience that resonates with people. Now imagine creating videos like that in minutes. No more spending hours brainstorming, filming, and editing. With the right tools, you can streamline the entire process. That's where AI comes in. AI technology is revolutionizing the way we create content. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you craft the perfect video. We're talking about tools that help you make high-quality, engaging YouTube shorts faster than ever before. These tools analyze trends, suggest ideas, and even edit your footage to make it more appealing. Creating content that stands out is tough. It requires creativity, time, and effort. And let's face it, not everyone has the luxury of spending hours on a single video. It's even tougher on YouTube, where everyone's vying for attention. The platform is saturated with content, making it challenging to get noticed. But what if there was a way to cut through the noise? What if you could create something that not only stands out, but also goes viral? AI is changing the game, giving creators like you the power to make content that goes viral. It's about working smarter, not harder. This isn't about replacing creativity. It's about amplifying it. AI tools provide the foundation, but your unique voice and vision are what bring the content to life. AI tools handle the heavy lifting, giving you more time to focus on what matters: your message, your story, your connection with the audience. Imagine the possibilities when you combine your creativity with the power of AI. The future of content creation is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Cashing in YouTube Shorts monetization. Here's the best part. Viral content can translate into real money. YouTube's Shorts monetization program rewards creators for their engaging content. The more eyes you attract, the more you earn. It's not just about views. Watch time, audience engagement, and subscriber growth are key metrics. The longer people watch, the more they comment, like, and subscribe, the more YouTube recognizes your content as valuable. And that translates into revenue potential. Think of it this way. You're creating amazing content that people love. Why not get rewarded for it? With the right AI tools and strategies, you can turn your creativity into a source of income. AI, your secret weapon for viral shorts. Imagine this: an AI tool that analyzes trending topics and automatically generates engaging video ideas. It's like having a personal assistant who's always up to date with the latest trends, ensuring your content is always relevant and captivating. That's just the tip of the iceberg. These AI tools can also help you script your videos, suggest the best visuals, and even recommend the perfect music to match the mood of your content. Tools like Nexus Clips, Pictory.ai, and InVideo are revolutionizing video creation. They offer a suite of features that make the entire process seamless and incredibly efficient. These aren't your average editing tools. They are designed to cater to both beginners and professionals, making high-quality video production accessible to everyone. We're talking AI-powered features that do the heavy lifting for you. From automated editing to intelligent scene detection, these tools handle the technical aspects so you can focus on your creative vision. Think automated editing, subtitles, framing, and even direct publishing to your YouTube channel. Imagine the time you'll save, allowing you to produce more content and engage with your audience more effectively. All this without sacrificing quality. These tools ensure that your videos look professional and polished, maintaining high standards even with automated processes. Imagine turning a simple blog post into a dynamic video with just a few clicks. This means you can repurpose your existing content, reaching new audiences and maximizing your content's potential. Or effortlessly adding subtitles to your shorts for a wider reach. Subtitles not only make your content more accessible, but also help in retaining viewer attention. AI tools empower you to create professional-looking videos, even if you're a complete beginner. With intuitive interfaces and smart features, anyone can produce high-quality content that stands out. Section 4. Crafting content that pops: the recipe for viral shorts. AI tools are powerful, but they're just tools. The magic ingredient is you, your creativity, your voice, your connection with the audience. Remember, content is king. Focus on creating content that's unique, interesting, and shareable. Ask yourself, would I watch this? Would I share this with my friends? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The beauty of shorts is their short format. You can test different ideas and see what resonates with your audience. Section 5. Real-world wins creators striking gold with AI. In today's digital age, creators are finding innovative ways to stand out and make a mark. One of the most powerful tools at their disposal is artificial intelligence. Don't just take my word for it. The success stories are everywhere, and they speak volumes about the potential of AI in content creation. Look at creators like Insert Name of Creator, who went from a few hundred views to millions using AI tools. By leveraging AI, they were able to understand their audience better, predict trends, and create content that resonated deeply with viewers. They tapped into the power of AI to analyze trends, create engaging content, and optimize their videos for maximum reach. This not only increased their viewership, but also boosted their engagement rates significantly. Another example is Insert Name of Creator, who used AI to transform their travel blog into a series of captivating shorts. By using AI-driven editing tools, they were able to produce high-quality videos quickly and efficiently. The result? A surge in subscribers and brand deals. Their content became more discoverable, and they started attracting attention from major brands looking for collaboration. These creators understood the power of emotional connection. They used AI to identify the kind of content that would evoke strong emotions, whether it was joy, sadness, or inspiration. They created content that made people laugh, cry, think, or feel inspired. This emotional engagement is what kept viewers coming back for more, turning casual viewers into loyal fans. And they leveraged the power of AI to take their content to the next level. By continuously analyzing data and refining their strategies, they stayed ahead of the curve and maintained their competitive edge in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Section 6. Ready to go viral? Take action. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't just stand on the sidelines. Jump in, experiment, and see what you can create. There are tons of free and affordable AI tools available, so there's no excuse not to try. Sign up for a free trial, watch tutorials, and start creating. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover the incredible potential of AI for video creation. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but once you take it, you'll be amazed by what you can achieve. Section 7. Beyond viral, the future of AI and content creation. This is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more powerful tools and features. Imagine AI generating entire video scripts, automatically matching footage to your narration, or even creating personalized video experiences for each viewer. The possibilities are endless. But one thing's for sure, AI is here to stay, and it's changing the way we create and consume content. Embrace the power of AI, unleash your creativity, and get ready to share your story with the world.